Today I'm on my way to Bandung and I'm traveling on the Argo Parahyangan, and I am excited because this train uses the latest coaches, the brand new Incas. They call them the stainless steel. So these are brand new coaches and I'm going to try them out. And can't really film much on this trip because most of it is going to take place in darkness, but hopefully I'll be able to show you what the interior of these brand new trains look like. So let's take a look at some of the features of the seats in this coach. The seats are pretty comfortable. It's made out of faux leather. Huge leg space between the seats. There's also comfortable leg rests, tables, chair tables on the side that you can use. Each seat comes with a pillow. There's also a magazine that you can use. Something that's a great feature of trains in Indonesia are these power points that you can use to charge your mobile phone, and of course the place that you can place the mobile phone on. It comes with reading lights up there that you can use. Before I end this video, I'm going to give you some information and tips on how to book a train ticket in Indonesia. Well, the National Indonesian Train Company, or Kereta Api Indonesia, Kereta Api means train, is PT KI. Okay, so it's referred to as PT KI. PT KI has a website where you can do online bookings. However, if you do not have an Indonesian issued credit card, your booking will be rejected. So the next option you have is using this one, ticket.com. Ticket.com allows you to purchase tickets up to 90 days in advance and up to the day before your travel, intended day of travel, and they charge 13,000 rupiah for a transaction fee. Before you start to purchase your ticket on ticket.com, remember you must get the passports of everybody that's going to travel with you within that booking, because PT KI requires the passport number and the full name according to the passport to be printed on ticket and boarding pass. If not, you may be denied entry into the departure area. So make sure you have everybody's full name and their passport number with you. Gambir is the main railway station for long distance trains, which are the most premier ones, which start with Argo, for example, the Argo Parahyangan, Argo Bromo Anggrek, Argo Dwi Pangga. These are the main and most popular express trains, and they leave from Gambir. So if you want to choose a train from Jakarta, look for Gambir. And for example, Surabaya has two main stations, Pasar Turi and Gubeng. So you need to do a bit of homework about whether the destination has more than one railway station and what is the destination you want to go to there. So once you've done that, you put in the information, destination, date of travel, you will then suddenly have this whole list of trains and different fares for the same train. They are charged, they are called different subclasses for the same trains. So for the executive train, you may find 3 or 4 different prices for the same coach on the same train on the same day. Don't get scared, just go for the cheapest ticket. Okay, so as people fill up one subclass, the price of the ticket goes up, and then most likely the closer you get to destination, you only have the most expensive tickets left. Now if you choose the most expensive ticket, you will be assigned seats in the center of the coach, which is actually part of the train which has the most smooth ride. The cheapest tickets will assign you seats in the first 3 rows and the last 3 rows of the coach, which is directly above the bogie of the wheels, so it will be a slightly bumpy ride. Also remember, if you're heading out of Jakarta, for example to Bandung, choose seats C and D. Okay, C and D on the right side of the coach, because this has the best view possible as you head up to Bandung. If you're going towards Surabaya from, for example, Bandung on the Argo Willis, choose seats A or B, and they have pretty good views on the left side coming out of Bandung. So just little tips there. Besides executive, which is the most premier class in PT KAI, so executive is the most comfortable class that you have. There's also business and also economy, the cheapest of the classes available for travel. Once you've made your booking, you paid everything, you will of course need to print out the ticket from ticket.com. So it'll look something like this. Oh, it's upside down. It will look something like this. This does not allow you access to the departure, okay? This is not the ticket. So what you need to do, you need to be at the station at least half an hour before departure. Check-in opens 24 hours and up to the last half hour before departure of your train. Go to the check-in counter at the railway station. It's actually just computers. Go up and scan this barcode. Scan this barcode, or if you could not print and you only remember the booking code, so just put in the booking code into the computer, press print, and you will get this orange boarding pass. This orange boarding pass then will be checked with your passport for you to gain entry into the departure area. This takes place at all the main stations of PT KAI in Indonesia. So hopefully that has given you some rough idea of how you book a ticket with the National Train Company of Indonesia. And hopefully you have a great travel. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. And until the next rail plane traveler, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.